Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Comet browser from Perplexity. So I just got invited from the Perplexity Comet browser, so I joined the waitlist at June 22 and I forget about it, so they invited me in August to download the Comet browser. So I didn't check my email, so they gave me after 1 month to try their Comet browser. So after that I just have to download this, so I have already downloaded this. So I just need to double click to install this and just click start install, and it will start to download the other updates for this Comet browser. So if you don't know how to download it, so to download this, just go to the Google and search for Comet browser, click on this Comet browser, and you just need to click on this get Comet. And first you just have to join their waitlist. So you have to join their waitlist, sign up with your Gmail account, and after that they will invite you to download and install the Comet browser. So it's still downloading. I'm going to show you how to also install this step by step. So after downloading, it's already installed, and now I just have to launch Comet and click on launch Comet here. So now you just have to click get started, and now you can import your other history and data, all the login stuff or settings with the Chrome. So I have different profile here, so you can import your browser settings to Comet browser. So if you want to, you can do that, but right now I'm just going to do this later. You can also choose that, so click on do this later, and now you just have to create a profile name, and after that you can choose what type of theme that you want. Just choose the dark option and click on continue, and after that you can choose make Comet your default browser. Sorry, I don't want that. Add Comet to your taskbar. Also, I don't want that. Open Comet on startup. No, I don't want that. Also, help us improve the product. Yes, that I can do, and click start Comet, and it will start on your PC. Now you can sign in to use your account, unlock the full potential of Comet. Not going to sign in, and I can just start using just like a browser that you want. So that's it guys, this is how you can download and install Comet browser on your PC. In later videos I'm going to show you how you can use, or most of the use cases to use this only Comet browser to unlock the full potential. So first you just have to join the waitlist, and also you have already joined the waitlist, make sure to check your Gmail, because I got invitation like 1 month ago and I forgot about this, and this is the new Gmail that I got, that the invite will expire. So if you forgot about it, you can also check your Gmail, because the invitation will expire. Or if you're a new user, join the waitlist, because this is rolling out fast. Maybe you will give the invitation in 2 weeks or 3 weeks. So that's it guys, this is the video that I want to show you. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, and thank you for watching.